So we'll take a look how to generate silence in Reaper. What you will want to do is, let's say you have a track like this, just select a portion of this track, or you can just start recording. And what you want to have is a separate track. So you either start recording somewhere, or you just select a portion of your already existing track and you want to copy the selected area. And then you can paste it. You can use this item volume line right here. For me, it is in the middle because I set it in the middle in the settings. For you, it might be at the very top. I just prefer to have it in the middle because then you can adjust your volume upwards as well. But for you, by default, I believe in Reaper it is at the very top. So you drag it down and now you have this silent part. And so if you want to generate silence in this particular clip, you can move this one next to it and you can just select it, select them both, click the right mouse button and choose glue items. Just like that. So instead of just dragging on both of them, you have to select both of those clips. And I'm holding the control button here to select both of them. If you just choose one by one, you wouldn't be able to do that. So hold control or command button and select them both and glue them right here. Now you have generated this silent part. As far as I know, it doesn't really have a built-in generate silence effect.